Welcome to our tutorial on how to use search filters with Near You on X Twitter on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, input your search query into the search box located at the top of the Twitter page. After entering your search query, the search results will present you with a variety of content such as posts, photos, accounts, and more. To narrow down your search results to show content specifically near your location, click on the Search Filters option. Within the Search Filters menu, select the Near You option to filter the results based on proximity to your current location. By utilizing the Near You filter, you can discover and engage with content that is geographically relevant to your surroundings on X, Twitter, on your PC. Thank you for joining us. We hope this tutorial has been informative in demonstrating how to use search filters with Near You on X, Twitter, on your PC. Enhance your search experience by exploring content that is geographically close to you and stay connected with local updates and conversations.